Welcome to your favorite program, Learn Twi with Opoku. This is going to be the final edition of the lessons on the Twi tenses. However, though it's a final edition, we're going to divide this lesson into two. That means we are going to treat present perfect and then past perfect. So we will first of all treat present perfect, and then later on we'll treat past perfect. So stay tuned. In English, when you talk of present perfect, we talk of statements that are constructed with an auxiliary verbs have and has, plus an ordinary verb in the perfective. For example, I can say, I have eaten. He has eaten. These are all in the present perfect tense. Good. And we also know that with the past perfect, it is constructed with an auxiliary verb had plus an ordinary verb in the perfective. So for example, we can say, I had eaten when he came. Good. We can also explain further that in English, whilst the present perfect talks about an event that took place in the past, the past perfect also talks about an event that took place in the past before another past event also took place. So with the example that I give, I had eaten before he came. Or when he came, I had eaten. You see that all these two events took place in the past, but one took place before the other. So I had eaten is what? In the past perfect. Good. In Twi, we have similarity. So let's take one verb and see how we can what? Turn it into past perfect or present perfect. But let's start with the present perfect. With present perfect in Twi, the verb is prefixed with a. All of the verbs. Whether you're going to match it with a singular pronoun or plural pronoun, first person, second person, or third person, the verb is prefixed with a. So let's take a verb like say, kɔ, to go. Kɔ. If I want to say, I have gone, I'll prefix the verb with a. So I'll write me. That is I, the pronoun, me. And then I will prefix the verb kɔ with what? A. So it will become me plus akɔ. What happens is that me will lose the E, and then we'll have makɔ. I have gone. This is in what? Present perfect state. I have gone. Makɔ. It's making use of what? Have. So, makɔ. I have gone. Present perfect. Good. If we take wo, that is you. Wo, you have gone. We'll write wo, and then we'll prefix the verb kɔ with what? A. And so, it will become what? It will become wo plus akɔ, and it will be what? Wo akɔ, wakɔ. Take note of this, because the difference between you have gone and he has gone in Twi is very, very what? Slight. So if you don't take care, you write he has gone instead of what? You have gone. So take note of that. So all that we are saying is that wo plus akɔ will be wakɔ. You have gone. Good. Let's take ɔno, he or she. Ɔno, as we know, when it is serving as a subject in a present perfect state, ɔno changes to what? We. That is W. Ɔno changes to what? We. That is W. outright. And so here, ono ako, ono will change outright to what? W. So we have W plus ako. And at the end, we'll get what? Wako. 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 He has gone. He has gone. Wako. So look at this. It is we, ake, or wako. He has gone. And look at wo, ako. That is you have gone. It is what? We, o, ake, or. It is the o that makes the difference. The O that comes after W, that makes the difference. So if you don't write wo, ako, and then you forget the O because the O is silent when you are saying wako, the A sounds louder. So if you don't take care, you write we, ake, or. And so instead of saying you have gone, you might write he has gone. So take note of these two phrases. Good. Now let's take some of the plural verbs also. With the plural verbs, let's begin with yen, we, yen. Yen plus ako. Yen, the N will vanish, and then it will be ye, ako, and then we'll get what? Yako. Yako, yako. The air is somehow silent, but don't forget to write it, because if you take it away, it will mean something else. So, ye, ako, but we pronounce yako, yako. The air is somehow silent. Yako, we have gone. We have gone. Yako. What about one? One will lose the N and will get wo, and then ako, wako, wako, wako. If you forget the O because it is silent, and then you write we, ake, or, you know what that means? It means he has gone, not they have gone. But he has gone. So take note of that. Good. So in short, we are saying that in the present perfect tense, one needs to what? Preface the verb with a. And that is all. The statement or the phrase will be in the present perfect tense. Good. So this is all that time will permit us to do. Until our next video, I will say keep learning Twi with Opoku. Thank you.